If you want to bass boost on your JBL Boombox 4, well, first of all, you have to start by using bass boost option. So we can use the deep one. In my opinion, it's better than punchy one. And you can also activate this one without the JBL portable application. So when you click on this bass boost icon one more time and the lights are turned into the white color, it means that you activate punchy bass boost. But I will stay with the deep one, and if you want to boost even more, you have to go for the custom preset and go to the edit, and you will have to edit 125 and 250. This is actually low frequencies. So if you put them like +6, you will get like extreme bass, but it will actually, you know, it will sound too much. Yep, I mean, you will get too much bass. It doesn't sound that good. So I will actually go for 5 or 5.5 into 125, and for 250 I will stay with like 3.45 or maybe 4. And thanks to this one, you will get pretty good bass. You can also adjust those sliders to get crisp sound. But if you are looking for the best bass, just put them like this. And that's basically everything. Thanks for watching.